In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use my work in monday.com. Let's start on your monday.com homepage. From here, open my work. This is your personal command center pulling together tasks assigned to you across boards so you can focus on what needs attention without jumping around. Once my work opens, switch to the table view. The table layout gives you an organized spreadsheet-style list with columns you can scan quickly, which is ideal when you're creating or updating items. Now, create a new item by selecting New Item. A form will appear for the key details. First, type in a clear project name. Keep it short and specific so it stands out in your list. And don't worry, you can rename it later if the scope changes. Next, choose the board where this item will live. This links your task to the right place in your workspace so it stays visible to your team. Then pick the group within that board. Groups help keep related items together. Think of them like sections such as backlog, in progress, or a specific project phase. Assign a person. Choose yourself or the teammate responsible. This ensures ownership is clear and notifications go to the right person. After that, set the status. Use statuses like working on it, stuck, or done to reflect progress at a glance. Consistent status updates make your My Work view far more useful. Finally, add a date. This due date is what places the item into the correct time bucket inside my work. When everything looks good, click Create Project. Your new item is added and will appear in the table with the details you just set. Now, let's look at how my work organizes your items by time. Past dates shows anything overdue so you can quickly catch up. Today highlights what needs your attention right now. This week rolls up items due over the current week, while next week helps you anticipate what's coming. Later contains items scheduled beyond next week, and without a date lists items missing a due date, handy for finding tasks that still need scheduling. As you update dates and statuses, items automatically move between these sections, keeping your workload current. Finally, switch to the calendar view by selecting Calendar. This displays your dated items on a timeline, making it easy to see workload by day or week. If something doesn't appear here, it likely needs a date. Click any item to review or adjust details, then jump back to the table whenever you prefer a list view. That's it. You've used my work to create, organize, and visualize your tasks in monday.com.